Hey, if you ever visit the Dominican Republic, the country where I'm come from, you can see the water appearance blue and it's clear so that you can see your hands through it. But do you know the ocean doesn't always look blue? In fact, sometimes it's green. So what causes the water to look green or blue when it doesn't have any colors? First, let's break down what causes water to look blue. The colors we see are a result of the different wavelengths reflecting back to our eyes. When light shines through water due to the selective absorption of light, longer wavelengths, which appear as red and yellow in our eyes, get absorbed by the water molecules. On the other hand, shorter wavelengths, which appear as blue and violet, are able to penetrate deeper and scatter, resulting in the ocean appearing blue. But that doesn't explain why some areas are getting green. To understand better, we need to look at the different components that make up water. Water in its liquid form contains many things.
Hi, I'm oxygen. Hi, I'm carbon dioxide.
Hi, I'm organic matter for plants and animals.
Hi, I'm fat.
These components do not necessarily change the color of water.
I have a question. So, what makes water to look green?
As I mentioned before, water contains nutrients and minerals that all small organisms like phytoplankton or algae use to survive. These tiny organisms live everywhere in the ocean and are responsible for the 50% of the photosynthesis in our planet, which means that they are important as the plant on land for cleaning our air and producing oxygen. In order to accomplish this, they use these tiny green pigments called chlorophyll, which is also responsible for making the plants on land green as well. Chlorophylls help capture the sunlight energy to produce food and oxygen as byproducts. When conditions are ideal in the ocean, meaning that there is enough sunlight and enough nutrients, algae will grow as fast as we could imagine. We call this an algae bloom. This happens when you can see large patches of green color on the ocean surface. Depending on the type of algae, the bloom can look different colors and even red. Awesome! Now you know why the ocean can change its color. Every time you look at the window when you are traveling, pay attention to the surface of the water. What color it is. It be possible that you are witnessing an algae bloom wherever you are. Thanks for watching!